Okay, so I broke my pen and I was kind of bored, so I thought about it for a couple seconds. Actually, it's a mechanical pencil. And I have decided that I've made a new thing that I can carry around with me all over the place. So, what you need is a mechanical pencil, like so, Bic, to have stepped on it, like so. And what you do, this didn't take me very long at all to figure out, but I'm just annoying like that. You take it apart, unscrew this part here, take it out so that you only have this part here in the top and the lead inside of it, of course. Then you have this part back here. You take out the eraser, you pull this part out from the inside, it just twists out. Okay, so you've got this part, you've got this part, you've got this part. Alright, you take this part, shorten it down to however much. You can do this first actually. Take this, slide it all the way down. See the little twisty part there? The part that twists on? You can actually just shove that in there. The pressure will keep it together. So now you have a pen. Okay, and then you see the mechanical lead? When it's full, it hits here. So, you put this on, it needs to go over about that much of whatever. So you want to take this, you want to put it here, measure it out, so about there. Then you want to cut. I'd probably use scissors, but I can't find mine. So I'll just cut it straight down, not an angle. If you are using a knife, I suggest you twirl it while you cut. And this knife is either really dull or this plastic is really hard. Alright, I'm the greatest kid. Come on, work. Ooh, it is really hard. Alright, there we go. Some bendage going on. Alright, let's cut down the side. Alright, there we go. So that part is off. So now, you just have this little bitty piece here. You have this piece here. This piece slides over this piece here, if you did it correctly. And now, you have a very short pencil that you can write with. You can hold it like this and write with it. It's just long enough so it should rest right there. There you go. Voila. Then to click it, you just click it. Good times, huh? And writing. Set times, come on, work. Oh, I broke the lead. That's why it's not working. Set times. Alright, let's go again. I don't know why it wasn't working. Now, I wouldn't suggest breaking your pencil so you can make this pencil. But if you already did and you don't feel like wasting one, there you go. This works. There you go. This works if somewhat tediously, and I didn't put it backwards. Damn. So Oops. There we go. See if that works. This works if somewhat tediously. Oh, this is kind of messed up, but if you can decipher it, it's all good, right? Oh well. This works if somewhat tediously.